What's going on, guys? It's MotorTube here. We're about to hit the drag strip.
You don't look like MotorTube.
I don't know how you do this.
You don't look like MotorTube though.
You do this, bro.
What's up, guys? This is MotorTube, and today we're going to the drag strip in the Trackhawk. This is the first time me taking this thing to the drag strip. I'm not sure how it's gonna run. It's 100% stock. It does have an intake. For those who always say, well, it's not technically 100% stock, you're right. It does have an intake. And now we gotta feed the beast. I'm literally dead ass here twice a week, if not 3 times a week. And that was a $72 fill up. And now we got an hour drive to the track, and it's kind of cool that we get to drive this all the way there, run some hopefully good times, and then drive it back. There is no freaking way there's a train blocking our way. Look at this. And it just stopped. Like, well, we're gonna just chill, bro. Like, we're about to just have a little picnic here. Look at this. It's not moving. Why would the GPS bring us this way? We're about to cool the Trackhawk down. We're in the middle of nowhere. What?
What's in there?
I don't know. Should we hop on and take some car parts off of here? Look at this. Our luck, we hit a dead end, and this train is not moving whatsoever. So we have 3 alternative routes here, but all of them require us to go through this road, and well, this train has not moved in literally 10 minutes. So what are we gonna do, bro?
We gotta wait.
We gotta just sit here and drink the little water we have left. We might grow old waiting for this train to move, because as of right now, this thing is not moving, and it doesn't look like it's gonna move anytime soon. So we're gonna just turn around, honestly. Like, this train is not moving. So I finally found another route. It's gonna take us back on the highway, and it's gonna be even longer of a drive. And after 7 hours of driving, we finally made it to the drag strip.
Just make sure this yellow one goes on his left wrist for me, okay?
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too. And now we're gonna go to race options, race cooldown, and then we're gonna activate it. And basically what that does is that it activates the fans while the car is off, as you could hear. And then it's gonna just basically cool down the car before we race. Do a burnout, obviously. Just wanted to clean the tires. Right there, I let off because I don't know, it felt like the car was getting dragged this way. That was super odd. I don't know, that did not feel good whatsoever.
How was it?
I let off really early. I ran 11.8 at 96 miles per hour. This truck is supposed to trap 116. But I let off really early because it felt like the Trackhawk was like about to fly off the track.
Yeah, I heard it.
Why?
I heard it. I don't know.
I don't know. That was super f***ing weird. I really want to go again because I think we could definitely get like a low 11-second run. Like, no problem. I mean, I literally let off. I probably got 20 more miles per hour left in this car. All right, let's try another run. We cooled the car down for about 20 minutes. For his go, and then we're gonna clean the tires. My radar is blocking the tree. Good, and we beat that Z06. That felt really good. So like I was saying, the radar is blocking the tree, so I was barely able to see the tree. I'm gonna go around this way, and when I say tree, I mean like the lights that tell us when to go. So all I could see are the first two yellows, and then I wasn't able to see the rest because of this radar. I gotta put it down for the next run. It did the same thing with the first run, and then I just forgot to take it down. So that in front of us is a C6 Z06. I'm not sure what's done to it. All I know is that he has an intake. So I'm not sure what else he has done, but we're about to get our slip right now. And I'm really curious to see how fast I ran. That one, I definitely miles per hour, 116 or 117. That's what I seen on the dash when I passed through the finish line. So if you guys remember, first run, we did 92 miles per hour. I could hear exhaust as well. Thank you. There we are. That was at 11.5 at 118 miles per hour. That's really good. The 60 foot was a 1.6, so not too bad. I feel like I am still spinning a little bit because we are on all season tires, but at 11.5 is pretty impressive considering this Trackhawk is supposed to run at 11.6 at 116 from factory. So we are definitely beating the factory numbers.
11.5.
11.5 at 118. There it is. That's pretty good. That's faster than the stock numbers. That's pretty good. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Let me
That's
put
pretty
the camera
good.
on you. What do you think? 11.5. We are celebrating like we just ran 9s. But again, guys, this thing is stock, okay? I'm sure one day I'm going to be able to get this thing to run 9s. So this is the third and final run. All right, we clean the tires up a little bit. I got rid of the radar. Now I can see the tree. Was a way slower run. I think I trapped like 115 on that one. We still got the vet. So the vet is, I believe, a manual C6 ZR1, not ZR1, sorry, Z06. It has headers, exhaust, and an intake. So I'm not sure how much power that's supposed to make in that vet. And I talked to the owner. He said he was a little bit rusty. He hasn't driven the car in a while. But I definitely think that was a very slow run for me. And again, I slept on that one because I thought it was 3 yellows then the green, but it was the initial 2 yellows and then 2 more and then the green. I thought it was the 2 yellows and 3 more and than the green. That's too confusing. Anyways, let's see what time we ran. I'm happy with the 11.5 knowing that I did that. I don't think this car has it in it to run faster, especially with the all-season tires. But as long as we beat the Corvette, I'm happy, you know, just to be able to beat a Corvette in a family SUV. That's pretty awesome. Thank you. Oh, whoa, whoa! Oh my God! Wow! I definitely underestimated this car. That was 11.4 at 118 miles per hour with a 1.660 foot. This is f***ing impressive. Mind you, that was a hot lap run, and it still ran at 11.4. A stock Trackhawk. That's 0.2 of a second and 2 miles per hour faster than what Dodge or Jeep or whoever says that the Trackhawk should run.
Yes, sir. 11.4.
11.4 at 118. Y'all see it right here. Y'all see it. Numbers don't lie. But I'm super impressed with the Trackhawk, y'all. 11.4 is good. I'm happy with that, and I think we're done. Here are all three slips. We got the 11.8, that's the one I let off. Then we got the 11.5, and then we got the 11.4. And the miles per hour is super consistent. And as you can see right here, it says number 69, and that's the number of my Jeep. And the best part is that we're gonna get to drive this thing all the way home. Oh my God. Let's put the windows up a little bit. Let me know what you guys think of all those runs in the comments below. Do you guys think the 11.4 at 118 miles per hour, was that impressive enough? I know this thing can go way faster after we modify it, but just to see that it runs at 11.4 from factory, definitely gets my imagination going, you know, with an upper pulley, a quarter blower, E85. Man, I see this thing running low 10s all day long. Maybe a lower pulley will probably get us in the high 9s, I would say, and that is fucking insane. And the best cameraman in the world deserves some water, bro. I figured you'd be thirsty and shit. You've been grinding all day with me. Man, you don't even know how to open a bottle of water, bro.